welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix is Marcia. Guys, you're gonna have to go ahead and hear what Marcia has to say about this particular thing and the persons that she mentioned. And also, guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my well wishers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a wonderful day. And Marcia, she's talking about her sales that are going on as well. You can go ahead and go catch a sale. Remember, her information is there on screen. And it's coming Christmas time. You can go ahead and make a purchase from her if you wish to do so. Now, guys, have yourselves a beautiful day and go like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Yes, please subscribe, and have yourselves a beautiful day now.
And Tyler Perry, Bill Gates, the Amazon owner and Facebook owner. And then the people more have to cost me. Pay poor people. Poor people. Can you imagine? Look upon the one Stacey Campbell will look like somebody drop out a high in a crotch. I come across me. Anybody ever hear that like that? Look upon that the crying woman there. We look like you want somebody stuff her with two McDonald's, Burger King, and Pizza Hut, and KFC chicken. Look like somebody not even have food for them. Face look like a them mongrel dog. And come out here across people? Across me? No, sir. Then I saw me gone to the dogs. And mongrel dog them, man. I drank and shit house them people, yeah. And them even come out every day argue with them. Oh, shout yourself out there, poor people. Lonely poor people. I don't have time for no right now. I'm me going to leave right now because me watch my movie. And that's what I could do. Me have enough loving already. I don't need no more. Yes, me dear. I had a wonderful day. Lord of his I wonder if they get those sweet dicky there. Lord of his mercy. In a night, yeah. I must go to my bed. Mm-mm. I must go to my bed, people. But that tell I go to do. Anybody have anything else before I go? Because I'm going right now. Me going right now. So is there anybody else have anything to say before I go? Eh? What have nothing else to say before I go? Is there anybody else? Remember if you need sheets, you send a message in my WhatsApp. 860-292-0795. And about call the number, because number not go work. It's working, but me still not unlock the phone yet. I'm not interested if you unlock it. But me can't get text, me can't get the WhatsApp. Me put the WhatsApp in the other, make it come to the phone. So if you need sheets is still available. King and queen. I love the bathroom sets. You understand, with the towel and everything, so pretty color. We never see color the other day. Me sure no say me never, it's not only me clean jar scratch me they show. Me know say me they show. Me do say that alone did go for exhibitions the other day. Me clean jar scratch. Me know say me they show so. I laugh at that, yeah. Me do say that. I know that alone they go for exhibition, you know, me clean grass scratch, me take over, you know. Me know say me show so, me do say me show so lovely bathroom set. Some beautiful colors. Grey and teal and burgundy and this and that. Me show them as some beautiful quilt. So come on and get no quilt, man. No one now wait for. The quilts them are $50 before the holiday start. Otherwise, then gone up to 65. So come on and get on a quilt. Come on and get the quilt and come get no quilt on the sheet them and put them on the bed and something. You know what I'm saying? That is it. I remember say I want to get it, see the nice, lovely quilt and the battery. So come on, don't come on and support. Business is still up and running, honey. It's a one cocoa full basket. Young on, run free, never be man in me. Yes, my dear. Me a young heart and me have to run free. That's right. Young heart and run free. Yes, I know. Oh, yes, this is what I want to mention. I saw the comment them on my page where you guys were talking about my wig. Some people are saying it fit me. Some people say me look better in curly hair. Definitely. Everybody knows that my hairstyle over the past 30 years or more, I only wear big hair. Big hair. Yes, big hair fit my face better. But sometimes you have to get a little changes. So now if you get used to the flat hair. Remember say the year me have a made, Remember say a human hair. Me see some girl out there chat cause them grudge me. Cause them can buy $250 a year from Love Me here. And depends on the length. So them only can chat. Just because them can't afford it and them want chat and them can't have the ear, them are going chat and say, oh, it not even look human, it look like a blend with synthetic. The only synthetic in your pussy front. Dirty girl chin, now you may chat to. Yes. So, me know say the something there. The ear is something where hold on there. Good night. Me know say me know say the big ear them fit me. But guess what? Una could see me more often in a damn straight here there. Sometimes changes have to be made. You understand? When my face is a little rounder and fatter, a bigger than fit. But when your face start get slimmer, you wear the ear. For me, that ear they want a little bit more in there. Me not like my ear flat. So and I definitely but you are human ear just straight. But for me, I would have want the ear to be a little thicker. From a scale to 1 out of 10, me give it a 7. It too light for me. But you know they want if you make it want it, and it, to me it's annoying too because I know stop drop out some of the hear them. It's too thin for me. Me would need one that set a layer. Me like when my ear thick. I'm going to try another company called Unice. I'm going to try them and see which one me like better. But I have 3 of them. Them supposed to come my Monday. So come the other them different time. And take a look a good while to come to about a week hard. Them take about a week hard for come. And you know say which part me live. You know them try to thief the week. Them try to thief it. Yes, my dear. But them couldn't them have to give it up. So them never see it. And whatever it is. Drop their mailbox and all kind of something. When me get it, a box pull. A paper rip up. I try to thief it, nevertheless, me end up get it. But the only thing is this, and that's why I'm not like buy a week certain pair. It does it when it up on the screen, it look fuller, and when it come in person, it look so. Me disappointed because when me see it on the screen, it look fuller and it look full to me. Yeah, me just order one from them a while ago, one curly black one. I love curly hair. So me just order one from them a while ago. Me see one black one advertised. Me say, you know what, me love curly hair, so me try it and see. I know Marcia buy a week there for go on a vacation. Yes, who knows? You might have touch a yard that you never know, me know. You never know, might have even show up a Vice Cartel show right up in the front page. Who knows? I'm telling you, I would tell us I have a ticket, a VIP ticket to Vice Cartel show. Me might have the play that Jamaica for December, Me da ask you, Yes, me dear. You might just hear, who is in Jamaica for December? Marcia is in Jamaica for December. You never know. When you're buying wig, take 250 density. Then I wish part then I wish wig company are the best one. Which company you buy from? Then I wish part me have to look for that. If in a stated that. When me have to look for that there. Me used to buy, me used to, you know, say, oh, me used to buy my wig them, and it never fail me yet. There's a girl on YouTube when me follow, and every wig where she buy, and she put them on, same as oh she say, I say go. When me used to order and it come in the mail, that girl on YouTube, a long time me no see she pop up. And let me tell you something, she try every week from human to synthetic. And let me tell you something, when the wig them come, the wig them nice and bouncy. I'm a pay all $50 for them, $80 night. When they come, them bouncy and nice. Uh-huh. Yeah, so me it's YouTube always, the girls in my YouTube, them always correct. So me never know if me never know if you look for number, but I will see how it is. Uh-huh. I want six good human wig. After me read six of them, then me done. Me want six, me want curly, me want straight, me want bang, me want short, and me want the wavy one them with a long wavy one them with the big curls. Me come down for my shoulder, me want that one, and me want one pixie curl. After me get those, then me done. Them they will keep me feel when me want to go somewhere. Yes. And we need a short fluffy one. We catch like a 14 inch or a 12 inches or a 10 inch. Me we see. I mean, we definitely want blonde. You know, Marcia, she love blonde already. That's all. And then me done. Uh-huh. Yes, me dear. So we just get me little collection. But I mean, it's okay. The hair is it's all right. The hair is fine. It's just that me have to grow my hair so the comb clip can go up underneath it. But it's fine. It's just that me know. It's just that it too thin. That's the only problem I have with the hair me buy. It want a little bit more hair. Mm-hmm. That's the only thing with the wig when me have. It too thin. Me want something a little bit more fuller. What I mean, it's okay. But to me, me give it a 7 out of 10. Maybe I'll a 6.5 too. You understand? But I mean, it's feel natural. Cause when the breeze a blow, you just see, whatever. But I mean, it's not my cup of tea. Or when me see it pan Facebook, and me I look pan the color just bright up. So they don't know people are tricky, But when you come, the color not so bright. It's like a brown and blonde or whatever. Me I say. So me I go try some other one and see how it is. Me have few event coming up. Me have about 4 event coming up before the year done. Big event. So let's see. Me have about 4 big event coming up. So let's see. I'll know me no look one dress yet. I think one of them me go wear me dress me go birthday party cause me no understand me oh you expect me if I go have the pretty dress there me no wear go out. That dress I have to go wear go somewhere. Ah, me African dress. When me dress make. Me have to wear that for some man. Me have to put that dress at one time. No, sir. No, me dear. Me have to go wear a dress there. Me have to wear that dress there out even New Year's Eve night. Or something. Me could have mad for go have a frock like that. And me no wear it again. Eh. Me have to wear my frock. Then me can't have them a too pretty frock there. And I wear them again. Whether the color bright or bright not. Well, I guess they will be looking at me that like me have to wear it before the year them done. It two of them me I wear. It two of them is dry clean and me the amount of money where people in charge me for dry clean. You know say it know say people in charge me $160 for dry clean just so me God wanna make because of material. Eh? Uh-uh. And me for make it me for make it just them still in a bag. And I wear them. One of them is a coral color, one of them, so me have to find somewhere wear them. Me no business. Me I wear one of them very soon. By the end of the month, me I wear one of them. Me ma. Then me could have a pretty frock like that. Me coulda they have them pretty fat there. I'm me no find somewhere where they go. Me and I over a year now. I'm in a wear them. No sir. Me have to wear them fat there. Whether them blue, pink, red or yellow, I am wearing it. Me can have them pretty fat they put on and me no wear them. That is what it is. Just see, just watch and see. Me, I don't care. I don't care if I'm me. Have any biggest frock. Me I wear it. Me coulda bad. If you have the pretty frock there, I'm beat off I somewhere wear it. No, sir. No, me dear. No, me now buy one more frock. Me them they have 4 events to go for before the year done. And me I wear what they frock there. It all me have to do is to change up hairstyle. As long as I change up hairstyle and the neck and the costume and the jewelry, you're good to go. As long as you Bima, you don't agree with me, Angie? Eh? Oh, you mean? Somebody can have them a pretty elaborate frat there. And big event a go on. From some big event start from now until December. And me if you have them the two pretty big frat there in a closet, well dry clean and put on. And you are gonna tell me now, say me must have them sit down there after them cost so much money and if you make. And you are gonna tell me, say, me, no wear them. One is coral color, one is like a multi. That pretty, that I can look pretty on New Year's Eve night. Eh? What? Me I go back, me I go do my makeup, make the girl do my makeup and put on my nice wig on my head, ma. And step out in my frock. Who want look after them business? Don't even talk about the one Miss Garden make. That the one them have to go wear that one event coming up soon. Yes, I was like, no, me dear, me have to wear my frock. I'm going to step out and wear my dress, honey. Me could have mad for go have effort then I wear it. You're mad. Me have to wear my birthday frock again before the year done. I would yes, especially the one for my birthday. That is very pretty. Very, very pretty. It was last and me wear the one my godmother make. Got one party hard for it. I think last year, year before. Me say people that stop take picture. Me did a turn up and people did a take picture of my frock. Eh? Me say my people are not easy. They just come and a snap pictures and a snap picture. I even say somebody take on my tail and rip one of the little layer. Me I forget that stitch up. Yeah, me see one of the little like you have a little fluffy in them and whatever. That a easy thing and stuff. Me I wear that soon. Me have an event for come in if I don't know if it say I think it's a black tie or fear black something, but me not think even though I say that you can't wear any color. Whether me want be the brightest color, not make somebody come tell me. Me want somebody come step up to me and tell me, say, Marcia, you can't wear a bright color frock. Me I go wear it. Me only need one big good amazing go get one bad necklace. Yes, me dear. I want nice hairstyle. Yes, that's all. I think I want to wear one fluffy hair with that. Eh, one fluffy hair. In now could look good. Me need a short hairstyle. Oh, like a bang. Yes, the wig when me order is good. With a bang. Yes, me can't wear a short hair with it because me want shave. And me can't wear no fluffy hair if catch me down on my back. You can't wear no wet and wavy curly hair. You have to wear like it to fit a frat there. You need a whole fashion style. Like in the 60s and 70s. You need something like bouncy and curly will catch you right to your neck. That means your shoulder could show, your back could show, and your necklace could show. You don't need no hair to hide. You need a bang, like a straight pixie hairstyle. Bang, them that all look nice with it. I just get one nice fluffy hair like a Diana Ross. But through the hair fluffy, you can't really wear fluffy hair. Cause the dress fluffy, you want to make your head look a little slimmer. Yeah, when you wear a certain frock, fluffy frock, you can't wear a certain hairstyle, Cause the dress have a little fluffy go around. So you need to wear a straight pixie cut. Or